Traders, for you to succeed at trading, you must be able to read the charts, right? Obvious. And for you to read the charts, you must understand price action. Okay. Now, ask yourself, do you truly understand everything that makes up price action? Okay. So that's what we're going to focus on, guys. We're going to look at Euro Aussie dollar, the sell trade you can see on my screen, and we're going to look how I took 70 pips out of this trade by simple price action and looking at several time frames. And if you stay to the end of the vid, guys, I'm going to give you all of my trade ideas for today as well. And we got some great trades and we got lots of them. All right, but let's start with price action. And before we start, guys, yes, I am doing this in a vest. I'm about to go up the gym after this video. All right, I've done my analysis. I'm going to go up the gym. And there is a direct correlation between me going to the gym and me performing well at trading, right? So go to the gym. Anyway, price action. Okay, so Euro Aussie dollar sells, right? This was the trade. Okay, Euro Aussie dollar sell, that was the entry, that was the stop loss, that was the TP. And I actually took the take profit a little bit earlier. Okay, but still left some profit to run. So this is the trade. And I put all of these trades in the VIP Trading Academy. So if you want all of my signals, guys, come join the VIP Trading Academy. This is where I put them. So let's remove this now. Right, and let's understand price action. Now, I always start with the daily chart. And the first thing I look at is trend and structure. All right, so if we just follow this trend and structure, we are in a downtrend. Okay, soon as this candle broke these lows, it only broke it by a few pips, but it broke these lows. We are getting lower lows. So this candle here, at this point, we're getting lower highs, lower lows. Yeah, and obviously we're getting more lower lows. Yeah, it carried on down. So we need to understand that first and foremost, right? Then you need to understand key support and resistance levels. This was a key support level that was broken. The next key support level is this one down here, this grey zone here. Okay, so if I zoom out, you can see that price has been reacting at this level. Okay, pinpoint your levels, right? So trend and structure, support and resistance, and then you've got to look at the candlesticks, right? Bearish, 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 all very bearish, right? So that's a good sign as well for us to keep selling. Okay, I've actually re-entered this trade. And then finally, guys, you want to see if you've got some value, right? And value means, is it overbought or oversold? And, you know, right here, right, or even yesterday's candle is not overbought or oversold. We're literally at the moving average 20. So we're getting value. And does it have enough room to move into? And the answer is yes. So yes, it has enough value, right? So that's the day chart, right? It's telling me to sell this pair. Then I look at the weekly chart, right? And I just need this to support my trade idea. Now, look, I mean, this is in an uptrend. There's no two ways about it, right? We're in an uptrend, but just look at these candles, right? Have you ever seen such bearish weekly candles? So this is telling me that sellers could push it back down to that piece of support I just showed you. Okay, so weekly and daily using price action have given me my direction and I can sell Euro Aussie dollar. Okay, then the next step, so I'm using multiple time frames, guys, right? And then the next step is H4 or H1 for entries. And this was a H4 entry, right? Again, I'm looking at the same things, right? I'm looking at trend, okay? So trend and structure, yeah, we're in a downtrend, right? Then I'm looking for important support or resistance levels. There is clearly a nice, what was once support becomes resistance, right? It's a nice resistance level. And then I just want to look at the candles, right? And these candles are all pretty bearish. And then where I entered right here, look at the bearish reaction we got as well, right? So it it confirmed my entry and confirmed this level as a good level. Okay, so we've got a nice bearish candlestick as well. And as I explained, guys, right, we had lots of room to move into. I took some profit in here because I started seeing some buyers in here, right? Closed 80%, yeah, and then I'm leaving 20% to run back down to here. All right, guys, so you need to fully understand all of those elements that I just spoke about to make, you know, high probability successful trades. All right, so get a grip of price action. And this meant, you know, I took almost 70 pips out of Euro Aussie dollar. All right, it was a nice trade, guys. So yeah, now guys, we are going to look at more trades like this, right? I've got so many setups today, so stay tuned and let's take a look at the trade ideas. Before we look at my trade ideas for today, guys, if I could ask everyone to please subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash the like button. Yeah, much appreciated. We would love to have you. Also right now, guys, if you would like to join our community of traders, then you can. It's free. If you want to, you know, have chit chat with traders, share knowledge, share ideas, then come join our free Discord channel. If you want more than that and you want my trade signals like this Euro Aussie dollar, and you want my tutorials and strategies, and you would like direct access to me, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. And if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers right now and deposit some funds, you can get free access to the VIP. Check it all out. It's all in the video description. And don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Right, trades for today, guys. So the trades for today is all about Aussie dollar strength, okay, and also US dollar weakness. Yeah, these are the two overriding, weaknesses and strengths in the market. Aussie dollar strength, US dollar weakness, right? So let's start with Aussie dollar strength. And there's a lot of trades, guys, right? So Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. If we look at the day chart, right, we are clearly in an uptrend. We were in a downtrend, okay, and then bang, right? We're clearly in an uptrend, right? We've got bullish candle, and the idea is just to come a little bit further up to this 9,200 psychological level, if not back up to these highs up here. And I would actually move that to the 250 level. Okay, so just there. All right, so there's our targets. Day chart is telling me I can buy. If we now drop down to the H4, we just need a retrace, right? There's no, you know, when I speak about value, there's no value up here. If I start buying here, where are you going to put your stop? Down here, below that, below here? There's no value, right? So what we need, guys, is a retrace. Maybe it retraces to this support zone. Maybe it only retraces to the moving average 20. But in here, we are looking to buy Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar back up to those highs. All right, but need a retrace. The next one, guys, is Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, right? Again, if we start with the day chart, we're in an uptrend, right? We was in a downtrend and then bang, right? We've broken these highs and even that high, right? We're in an uptrend. It's retraced to a nice area of support and we're looking to take buys from that level. If we drop down to the H4, what I am looking for, you know, you can see there's a key level on the H4 here. But the H4 is also kind of ranging, right? It's just coming down, up, right? So we could, I'll be looking for a bullish reaction in here and then to take price potentially higher, back up to these highs. All right, so more Aussie dollar strength, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar buys, just get my teeth in. These are not my teeth. I don't know whose they are. And then finally, guys, Euro Aussie dollar. The trade that I took yesterday, I actually just got back into this trade, right? So again, as I explained earlier, this is in a downtrend, right? Lower highs, lower lows, right? Bearish candles, bearish, and we've got room to move into back down to this grey zone. Okay, if we drop down to the H4, obviously we're still in a downtrend as well. But what I've entered on here, guys, is this H1 level. Okay, so you can see on the H1, price is coming down. is form this level through here, and I actually just started selling in here, right? I got in at 93. Okay, so I'm selling this pair and I'm looking to take price back down to that daily support level. So I'm in Euro Aussie dollar, guys, as we speak. And then, guys, it's all about US dollar strength. Now, I like pound US dollar buys, I like silver buys, but I prefer gold, right? So gold against the US dollar. Yeah, we all know it's at highs and we've, broken out of this level here. But just to confirm, right, we're in a uptrend, okay? And we're getting nothing but bullish. Even this wick is bullish, right? So I'm looking for buys. And exactly where I want to buy it from is basically a retrace to these, potentially here, right, or these last highs. I want to see basically a wick that looks something like that at this level. Yeah, and then I'd be buying gold back up to here, if not further. There's more, guys. Yeah, I also like New Zealand dollar, US dollar, right? Because this has just had a fresh structure break. So if we look at the day chart, you can clearly see we're in this uptrend, right? And then it's just broken these highs again. Okay, and again, we've got room to move into. All right, so again, it's just price action, price action, price action. That's all I do is rinse and repeat price action all day, every day. Yeah, you want it slow, dull, and boring. That's what my trading is. So uptrend, looking to take price up to here. If we drop to the H4 now, just need a retrace, right? Retrace represents value. Maybe in here with these last highs, maybe a bit lower. Maybe the moving average 20 catches up here. But in here somewhere, we're going to start buying, guys, and take New Zealand dollar, US dollar back up to here. All right, guys. So, yeah, those are all my trade ideas. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our community and our promotions at the moment. And don't forget to join us for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. All right, guys. See you later for that.